Hey Michelle, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I had the privilege of speaking with Sarah, who thought you would be interested in this custom video. We're just going to go over a few things that you guys can apply right away to get more online visibility and get more leads coming in, okay? So here we are on your website. You guys look like you have a nice looking website. See? Looks like you guys have different pages for each of your services, which is perfect. That's exactly what you need. Okay, we have a little bit of content here. Looks like a little bit of usage for keywords, but not enough repetition. Okay. So, Google does not rank your website based on appearance. It is all based on content. And ranking websites, content is king. You need a lot of content throughout your website. You need more content than your top competitors. And your homepage should have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content going after those local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords that people are actively searching for the services that you provide in your service area. They may not know the name of your company, but they know, hey, a pipe burst and my basement's flooded. And those are the type of searches that they're going to be doing. So, being in emergency services, it's even more critical that you are easily found when a customer needs you, so that you're their first call. So that's going to require optimization of your website. You're going to want to make sure that all of your service pages have adequate content and are going after the proper keywords. And if you perform services outside of Denver, then you should definitely have separate service area pages. Any cities that you service that have any type of search volume should have their own page so that Google can index you for those keywords and put you in front of those customers. Google uses little mini robots that go and index all of your individual pages looking for content and your keywords so they can index you for those keywords and get you in front of your customers. This is one of your top competitors in Denver, All Pro Restorations. They have a nice looking website. You can see they have a separate page for every single one of their services. Let's see. They're going after those buyer intent keywords and they have that repetition. They have interlinking between their pages, which is important. Um, okay. Testimonials are always good. I'm unclear whether they have multiple service areas or not, but they do have a nice website. And so in order to beat these guys, you will need to have more content, and you're going to have to dial in that content strategy and then back that up with some SEO. Now, this is a program we use called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how a website is performing. And as you can see, you have a domain rating of a 16, which isn't too bad. And that's based off of your backlinks and referring domains. You have 101. You need to make sure that you have a lot more backlinks. You need a lot more than your top competitors for each of your services in every single service area you service. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you do need to make sure that do follow backlinks, that the backlinks are related to your industry and services, and that they are highly authoritative websites that are backlinking to you. You're currently being indexed for 126 keywords, but you're only seeing on average 12 people per month to your website. So you can see that you're missing out on a considerable amount of volume. Your website is what brings 70% of those organic leads to you. So it is important to get that optimized. When we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 25 with over 1,500 backlinks. They're being indexed for over 1,000 keywords, and they're getting over 877 people to their website per month. So that's a significant difference between the two sites. And so to beat them, you're also going to have more backlinks. In addition to your content and keywords, you need more backlinks, not just in the volume of more, but higher quality backlinks than your competitors do. Now, as I mentioned, not all backlinks are created equal. What a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website and then drives traffic to that website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is to your services and industry, the more power that it's going to give you, especially if they are do follow backlinks, because a do follow backlink will share the power of those sites and help you to boost up faster in Google. And it's also important to note that these backlinks need to be tied to your keywords so that you can rank those keywords and be found for those services and in those service areas. The last thing to mention is the Google Maps section or Google My Business. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section, because 30% of people come directly here and won't go any further. So if you're not listed in the top 3 of this section, you are sending those leads to your competition. In order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, but the biggest one is something called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So you need to make sure you have more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all these tips I provided you today, your website can become #1 across Google for all of your service areas and all of your relevant keywords. Wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can take the information I provided and apply it yourself, and that is completely okay, because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.